Working from home, tips and tricks on running a home business. Having a home business is a dream come true for many people. But the reality of running a home business can be a little different than the dream, and you might need a little help. If you love your home business, but need a few pointers on how to keep it running, keep watching. Keep track of the business miles that you are driving, since the federal government assigns them a monetary value each year that is deductible. Business miles include all miles driven in order for you to be able to conduct business. It is best to keep a ledger in your car, and use it fanatically to log every mile. This will aid you greatly when it comes time to do your taxes. One of the most important aspects of an at-home business is having a neat, well-organized home office. Have plenty of supplies. An unprofessional working environment will not help you get motivated to work every day. Unless you live alone, be considerate of the others in your household. Don't let your work take over common spaces or invade someone else's personal area. Don't treat your roommates or family like employees. Make your needs known, but remember that this space is a home first and an office second. Be nice to your customers. Most people are great to deal with, but you will inevitably run across an unhappy buyer, who is rude to you. Realize that it isn't worth your time to argue or to name call. Treating rude people with kindness usually calms them down, and besides, you don't have time to get into fights, anyway. You have a business to run. A home business can be every bit as rewarding as the dream of a home business, but you have to work a little to make it happen. Keep these home business tips in mind, stay positive and keep growing your business, so that you can expand when you feel your business is ready. Student loan.